Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a thumbnail inside Filmora 13 using AI thumbnail creator feature. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. As you can see, this is my timeline with an edited video. Now to create a thumbnail, click on export button and on a left side you will get an option of thumbnail. Click on edit and a new window will pop up. And AI will scan your video and give you a best option to create your thumbnail. You can select the AI suggested thumbnail or else you can import your image by using from local option. Then click on edit and in new window you can add text and change font and create title according to your skill. Or you can add more images to your thumbnail. Then on right hand side you will get template option for vlog with lots of options, then for food, then for music, for family, for how-to videos and for promo. In custom you will get all the custom saved templates and in downloads you will get all the downloaded templates. Now let's take an example with this image. Go to any folder and choose template and click on it to apply. Now you can select text and change it according to your requirement. Even you can adjust the frame scale, position and rotation as per your requirement. Then you can delete any unwanted element from the thumbnail. Then you can choose any other template. And in this template, AI automatically create a cutout for the subject and place the text behind it. Now to edit text, place the cutout at the lower side and select text, enter your word and do further adjustment. Then place back your cutout. Now you can save it as a template by clicking on Save as Template or click on Save. Now export your video. And in exported folder you will get your thumbnail. That's simple to create a thumbnail inside Filmora 13. So what you are waiting for? Download Filmora 13 and start creating. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.